Hey, I didn't expect to see you here. It's a beautiful day here in sunny Southern California. And since you're here, maybe I'll show you my vegetable garden, my winter vegetable garden, all the delicious, nutritious vegetables I've got going on. Let's check it out. Ooh, we've got some sugar snap peas looking all tenderly. Look at those peas right there. Yum. Down here, look at these radishes getting all thick. I love me some radishes. Right here, I have a jalapeno plant that just kind of kept growing from the summer, and so I left it because, you know, I love some spiciness. Right here is broccoli. It actually has not turned into the broccoli we see at the store with the little florets. It's just got these leaves, which are also edible. Waiting for those flowers to come in though. Over here, we got some garlic. I grew these from bulbs, and you harvest them when you get about 5 or 6 of these turning brown. Right here, ooh, carrots. Delicious carrots coming in from seed. What about on this side? Oh, we got a dog over there. Hey, Recco. Right here we've got arugula, my favorite. All this lettuce, big lettuces, little lettuces, kale. With the arugula, I mean, we need to make a salad, obviously. Over here, got some bok choys coming in, little babies. More of these sugar snap peas for days. What else do we have here? This. Wait a minute. What's this? What is this plant? Check out that flower down there. This plant doesn't belong here. This is a tomato, and I didn't plant a tomato. Tomatoes are grown in summer. It's been really warm here in LA for winter this year, but if it gets cold, if we get a cold snap, that tomato plant is gonna die. That's why you don't plant it in the winter. So how did it get there? And it's my favorite question, but why though? Why is it here? How did it get here? I don't know, I have a couple theories. I have 2 theories. One theory, I had tomatoes growing in the summer, so maybe one of the old tomatoes fell off, landed on the ground, its seeds spread out, and then when I planted the winter garden, somehow I churned up those seeds, and maybe they just kind of growing on their own. When a plant grows on its own like that, we call it a volunteer. It just volunteered to join the garden. And what other theory? One other theory, maybe my compost. Check out this. This is where I put all of my veggie scraps and eggshells from the garden, from the yard, from the house, from the kitchen. I put things like this old tomato, in there. And maybe when it broke down, it didn't quite break down all the seeds of a tomato. And then when I spread that compost in my garden to give it all of the vitamins it needs to grow real healthy, maybe the tomato seed got in there too and started growing. I don't know. Just some theories. Either way, tons of cool vegetables coming in. I think you all should come over for a salad. That's what I think. Until then, until we can hang out and have salad together, I'll see you next time on another video.